I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making peanut butter fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. We're halfway through National Peanut Butter Lovers Month, so I've got another PB-centric treat to share with you. It comes from my favorite cooking personality, Alton Brown. If you've never seen him, look him up. His videos are wildly entertaining and very educational. In other words, he's everything that I would like to be. The recipe is super simple. You make it in the microwave and you probably already have all of the ingredients. And again, there's a link in the description to an article with some alternatives for those who can't eat peanut butter. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own peanut butter fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. And guess what? I've got even more peanut butter trivia right after the recipe. For this recipe, I used 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 3/4 cups of powdered sugar. I'm also using a large microwave-safe bowl, a spatula, an 8x8 pan, some parchment, and some plastic wrap. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the pan and set it aside. Combine the butter and peanut butter in the bowl and cover it with plastic wrap. Poke a few holes in the plastic wrap to vent the steam, then microwave it for 2 minutes on high. Give it a good stir, then microwave it on high for 2 more minutes. Add the vanilla and powdered sugar and stir to combine. When it becomes hard to stir and loses its sheen, spread the mixture into the lined pan. Cover the fudge with another piece of parchment and refrigerate it for a couple of hours or until it's fully set. Cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slancheva. Very interesting. It starts out a little crumbly, but then it just melts in your mouth. And obviously the peanut butter flavor is right out there in front. What can I say, compadres? If you like peanut butter, you really ought to try these. During World War II, peanut butter was sometimes called monkey butter. The most peanut butter eaten in 1 minute is 378 grams, achieved by Andre Ortloff in Augsburg, Bavaria in 2017. That's more peanut butter than will fit in this 340-gram jar in 1 minute. Whew. In the Netherlands, the word butter is a legally protected term available only for products that contain actual butter. For this reason, the word they use for peanut butter translates to peanut cheese. Come back for the next episode and I'll have even more creamy, crunchy trivia for you. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you join me next time. Achieved by Andre Ortloff. Nope, that wasn't his name. If you enjoyed your time here...